Now let's go on a bird hunt with Mr. Don Tubbs of Tubbs Hardware right there in Bossier City.
You know, Milton, the camp is real close up there on the hill, and folks that just want to walk down to hunt, do their field hunting straight from the camp, they can do that. The Continental Chute is real close to the camp. And then we can also drive you off to more aggressive areas, more hilly areas, wooded areas.
Now folks, we're hunting at Don Tubbs Ranch right there in Arkansas.
Okay. Got one there. You got two? There's one behind you, Donnie. There you go. Oh. There we go. We got that one. I got one over here. Bobby, you and Donnie got that one, didn't you?
Bill, dead in there.
There you go, Donnie. Come in at you, Donnie. There you go.
Good shot.
Good shot, Jesse. Jesse, good shot, Jesse. You back.
Barely got that one, huh?
Didn't I?
Jesse, you backed your daddy up on that one. I do appreciate it, Jesse.
Who got that
Hey
one?
Vince, here you go. This is what you need right here so you can see who's really shooting.
It's okay, I got it covered up, Bobby.
You know, one thing Don Tubbs likes to do is get the youth involved in the outdoors, and he takes a lot of them out to his ranch hunting. Now watch this young man here as he shoots his pheasant.
Oh, there you go, Jesse. Man. Bobby, great shoot.
Won't have to tenderize that one.
Hey, we hit it, Bobby.
I know you did.
Me and Donnie hit it at the same time. Jesse, good shot, Jesse. We gotta find out what we. Okay. Guys, y'all ready? Okay. There you go, Donnie. Okay. Ready, Jesse? We're getting them now. Let's see.
Careful, Bill.
There we go. Good shot, Donnie. We got those two.
Come on, Bill. 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 Come here. Dan in here.
There you go, Donnie.
Whacking and stacking.
We got them.
Good shot.
Did I get that or not?
Not. Jesse got that.
Jesse.
Good shot, Jesse. Awesome.